Hey guys, I just figured out how to convert multiple WAV files to MP3. You'll have to download a free open source audio editing program called Audacity. Great program, I have a bunch of tutorials about it on my channel, so you can check it out. After installation, open the Audacity and just drag and drop your WAV files inside. Go to File, Export and Export Multiple. Over here, choose the folder where you want to export your files. Over here, choose the format to be Mp3 and leave everything as it is and hit export. I'll fast forward this. And after the export is complete, you can see your Mp3 files in the folder. And this is how you convert and export multiple WAV files to Mp3. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.